evaluator, Toastmaster Avinash, to evaluate the speech.
Good evening, Toastmasters, General Evaluator, and in particular, Project 8, get comfortable with visual aids. Let me start off by asking the audience a question. How many of you that know that Vaidyanathan, how many of you know what Vaidyanathan's profession is? Sage. He's in sales. And what does that tell you?
Power of persuasion.
He is, yes,
Guru.
not the answer. He is already familiar with giving presentations to his customers. And we could see that. An excellent job, Vaidyanathan. I will be giving you my evaluation on appropriateness using the visual aid with ease and confidence. The points mentioned on each slide and your eye contact with the audience. But before that, one suggestion I would give is to use more than one visual aid. The project calls for it. In the manual it says 2 or more. Maybe you could read with a little more detail for your next projects. Now, appropriateness. This was the first time that I saw somebody use a GIF. I don't even know what it means except that it's an animated picture. And that, to me, really helped the message of each and every image sink into my mind. Great job done, and I would like to learn how you do that so I can incorporate it in my presentations as well. Next, let's move on to using the visual aids with ease and confidence. I would encourage you, Vaidyanathan, to, while on a normal sales presentation, it is perfectly normal to and acceptable to stand on the right side of the stage and operate your laptop. I would encourage you to stand on the other side of the stage because this facilitates a better connect with the audience. You can easily move between the slide and the audience. But then you have a problem of what do you do with the laptop. One option is to use an assistant like what JD did. The second option would be to buy one of those remote, you have those devices, right? It costs about 150 rupees. You can try and use that. One thing I really liked about each and every slide was that the text was limited and that limited text had impact. Wonderful job, man. It was a very nicely worded text. One thing I would like to see you improve is to make it a little larger. The font size could be a little larger. And yes, this was the first time that I have seen a Toastmasters logo being used on a presentation in the regular meeting. Great job done. Another thing which I really liked is most of the presentations which I have delivered and which I have seen being delivered is problems with color. You write something in color and it's not visible. It's visible on the laptop when you prepare it, but it's not visible on the screen. You have no issues of that sort today. Another thing that you did really well, Vaidyanathan, was to look at the audience while you were speaking. That's a very important point. If you keep reading from the screen, the message doesn't really get across. This shows that you have done a lot of preparation for your speech. Excellent job done. Now, my experience and my feedback regarding PowerPoint presentations, it's a nightmare to deal with. The first 25 or 30 seconds is the time that you have to connect with the audience. And if that time is spent fiddling with the projector and the laptop, it kind of sets the tone for the rest of the speech. What I would encourage you to do, and I have used this in my own presentations in the past, if I have somebody speaking before me, I copy all the presentations, all the slides into one presentation to keep it running. And the laptop has a function where you can keep the projector switched on and the laptop connected to it. You just have to press function, and I think in some it's 8, in function F8 or function F3, and you can quickly switch between one screen and 2 screens. I encourage you to use that because then you can instantly start off with your presentation and have a great outcome. Overall, Vaidyanathan, Excellent job done. I look forward to your CC9 and your CC10. Big round of applause.